ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವನನ್ನು ಆರಾಧಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ.
ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ.
ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ.
ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ.
ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮುಗಿಯುವಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ ಅಂತಿರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ, ಅಂದರೆ ರಾಯಲ್ ಶೆಲ್ಟರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೋ, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀ ಕುಡಿತಾ ಕಾಫಿ ಕುಡಿತಾ ಕೂತಿದಾರೋ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಇರೋ ಸೀಟುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಶಿವಂ ಶಾಂತಂ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥಂ ಲೋಕಾನುಗ್ರಹ ಕಾರಕಂ ಶಿವಮೇಕಂ ಶರಣ್ಯಾಂತಂ ಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಭಜಾಮ್ಯಹಂ. Good evening everyone. A warm welcome to today's Balabharati Varshikotsava. This is a program which we conduct on the occasion of Mahashivratri, and this festival is one of the biggest festival for almost all Hindus, and this is being conducted in Royal Shelters, and it has been organized by Royal Shelters Festival and Cultural Celebration Trust. Today we gather under this starlit sky for the 9th edition of Mahashivratri's Kala Sanjay, which is a very beautiful segment. And as we celebrate this Mahashivratri, we are not just witnessing performances, we are witnessing the seeds of our culture blooming in our children. Shivratri is not just a festival, it is a night of awakening the darkness of ignorance with the light of knowledge and devotion. Today and tomorrow, together we have a big list of festivities or the performances. Let us all immerse ourselves in Kala, Bhakti and Samskara. The pattern of this program is something like we are going to start from 4:30 and it's going to end by 10 o'clock. This entire program will be divided into various segments. I would like to now invite Vaishnavi, our Kishore Bharati student, to take us through the inauguration and invocation.
Namaste. I am Vaishnavi, a Kishore Bharati student studying in class 8. Bhudipo Hrudi Samstita Yavat Karma Samapsisya Tavat Tvam Sustiro Bhava. In our culture, a lot of importance is given to light. Have you ever noticed the nature of a flame? No matter which way you turn the lamp, the flame always points upward. This is the essence of our culture, to always strive higher, to always look up, and to always move towards the truth. The light we ignite today represents the Atma Jyoti, or the light of self-awareness. Now, I would like to request Shri Bharati ji and our Balabharati Shikshaks to light the lamp.